Welcome back to the next update, and I do have my new oil pump ready to install. And see, the oil pump is not very pretty anymore because I put some black RTV. If you see in the seam of the plate where it meets the pump, nothing inside, and all the way around I did that, and I also put some on the bolts there. I'm just trying to seal it as best as I can. Anyway, it's not very pretty. The new oil pump is ready to install. Again, this is a standard, not a high volume pump. And reviewing, I do have it packed with petroleum jelly. Hopefully this will prime it or help it to get primed. Hope I learned something from the past mistakes I made a few months ago that you saw in my last videos about this. Okay, this is the next My Jeep update. Didn't do much today, but I did get my oil pump in. As you can see, it's tightened but not torqued to specs yet. I'll probably get to that tomorrow. I didn't have time to do much work on it today. Had yard work earlier. I'm kind of tired out. Anyway, I'll get back on it tomorrow. Out for now. As you can see, it is in. Now, I'm a little concerned about this screen because it seems like it's at an angle over here a little bit. So I'm gonna look into that. I'm not sure if I have to adjust it or not, but after the problems I had last time, I want to make sure the thing's gonna be right. Out for now. Another thing I'm concerned about, I guess there's going to be enough space. I just can't remember when I put on the last one. Of course, the big end, the deep part of the oil pan is down here. I'm just a little worried about this right in here. I may have to do some modification to this tube here. I hope not, because I don't want to take a chance of breaking that seal. We'll see. We'll look into it. I'll fit up the oil pan tomorrow. I'll see how it fits out. Too tired to do it today. I'm somewhat confused a little bit because this original, the tube looks straighter. The tube on this new pump is definitely shaped a little differently. I'll definitely have to check it out and make sure it fits correctly. I may have to do a modification. And thanks for coming by and watching My Jeep updates, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.